This is probably one of the most dangerous cocktails we ever made.
Really?
Dangerously good.
Intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
We're continuing with our November challenge, and this is Tequila Week.
Tequila.
So, Kareem, what do we have for them today?
Well, today we're bringing you the Drunken Iceberg. And it's brought to you by the wannabe bartender.
He is not affiliated with us.
He's not a sponsor, but we like the content.
We do. So we're going to get started with the Drunken Iceberg. Let's get started. So, to make the Drunken Iceberg, you only need a couple ingredients, right? We're going to get our shaker. We're going to get our muddler. And we're going to get a crap ton of limes. Roughly about 2 whole limes cut and quartered. Drop that into your shaker and muddle the hell out of it. Yeah, whenever I do this, I have to watch out because it always like fires back in my eyes. So I'm always like,
shots fired! Getting a little workout there.
it's making me sweat. Now, next ingredient, you get your tequila, and you're gonna pour about 3 ounces. I'm just gonna free pour this. That's roughly 3 ounces. Right? So then you're gonna get some lemon sorbet and put a good big scoopful. Actually, you might have to put a couple scoopsfuls. Take the other half of your shaker, lock it up, and shake the crap out of it. Pour everything you have into your cup. Add a little more sorbet. Then, get a Corona, crack it open. We're going to be using Sunbrew for this one. No particular reason why, we just kind of happen to like the Sunbrew. Crack that open, and there you got your dangerous iceberg. So we're back, and this is the Drunken Iceberg. Let's give it a taste test.
Oh, okay.
So how are we gonna? We gotta click this somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta do a thing.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. There you go. Try it out. This. What do you think? It tastes like a freaking margarita.
Yeah.
It tastes just like a regular margarita to me. It has a little bit of the salt flavor as well, which I'm not sure where the hell it's coming from because I didn't put any salt in this.
Yeah. Wow.
Told you it was good. So, Brew Broz scale, 1 to 5. Kareem, what are you giving this?
All right. This is probably the first time.
Oh, what?
This is probably the first time.
Okay.
I think this is 5.
This is a 5?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kareem gave it a 5.
Our first one.
If you agree, leave a comment down below. So once again, big shout out to the wannabe bartender. The link to his channel is going to be down below. He is not an affiliate for us.
So, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit that noti bell because throughout November, we're going to be kicking out some bangers like this.
Yeah, I'm about to chug this down.
And on that note, everybody,
Peace out, everybody.
stay fly.
So for day,
Birthday. Today, we have a drink But blah, blah, blah.
Fumble. Oh, but a hand strikes again.
You don't have to worry. We're gonna get crunk tonight.
Oh, I should probably stop recording.
I know.